This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Three.js in WordPress. First, ensure your WordPress installation is up to date and you have administrative access. You'll need a way to add custom JavaScript, either through a child themes functions.php file or a dedicated plugin. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth integration process, allowing you to manage your scripts effectively and avoid conflicts with existing themes or plugins. It sets the foundation for your interactive three-dimensional content. To integrate Three.js, download the library from its official website or use a content delivery network link. Enqueue the script in your WordPress theme's header or footer using WP enqueue script. Next, create a dedicated div element in your page or post content where your three-dimensional scene will render. Give this div a unique identifier, like Three's container, and set its dimensions, perhaps to 100% width and 500 pixels height, to ensure it's visible. Now, let's build a basic three-dimensional scene. Initialize a scene, a camera, and a WebGL renderer. For instance, use a perspective camera with a field of view of 75 degrees, an aspect ratio matching your container, and near and far clipping planes of 0.1 and 1000 units respectively. Add a simple geometric object, like a cube, to your scene. Give it a basic material, such as mesh basic material, and set its color to a vibrant blue. Finally, render your scene and add interactivity. Create an animation loop using request animation frame to continuously update and render the scene. This loop ensures smooth movement and responsiveness. You can add basic controls, like orbit controls, to allow users to rotate and zoom the camera with their mouse. This makes your three-dimensional experience engaging and dynamic, transforming a static page into an interactive visual showcase for your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.